Hello everyone. Today we are going to make 6 gallons of kombucha. Kombucha is a fermented, lightly effervescent sweetened black or green tea drink, which is commonly consumed for health benefits. Spices and other fruit flavorings are often added, and the alcohol by volume is 0.5%. The ingredients are tea, sugar, bacteria, yeast, and I use dried plums, which are called prunes, oranges, limes, and lemons. It's supposed to help digestion, get rid of body toxins, boost energy, boost immune system, weight loss, and serves as antioxidants. We will be back in about 30 days when the process is finished. Enjoy along with us. Bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop, 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 bloop. 6 gallons, baby.